Hi guys, how are you all? Hi Shruti, what's going on in school, Shruti?
I'm good.
Okay, note down this one. Today's Tuesday, right? Yeah. Okay. Hello, Devansh. Give me a minute, guys. Johan, Nikita, Yashvita, Manvi, Sreshta. Okay. So, what are you doing in school, Shruti?
We did simple interest and compound interest.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, how about you, Pranav?
I'm just doing a project on y equals mx plus b.
Oh, I see. How about you, Devansh?
Reviewing slope.
Okay, is that easy based on what we have discussed in class?
Yeah.
Johan, what did you say? I'm sorry.
I didn't say anything.
Yeah, so what is being discussed in class?
I didn't say anything, but
Yeah,
I heard what you guys was talking about.
yeah, go ahead. What is being discussed in class for you?
For me, we were learning about proportionality.
Oh, proportionality. Okay. Is that easy now? We have covered a lot of proportionality, right?
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Okay, how about you, Manvi? What are you doing in school?
We're like finishing up our inequalities unit with what's it called? Variables and coefficients and whatever.
Oh, okay, that's okay. Nikita, how about you?
We just took our unit test today on slope.
Slow. Oh, okay. How was it, Ma?
Good. I got 100.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, let's see. Um, who is coming in? Bihan is coming in. Okay. There's more people coming in. You have to join on time, guys. Bihan, Ishan is coming in. Okay. Did you all celebrate Diwali nicely?
Yeah.
That's nice. Okay. I want to get started with, let's say, we want to do equations and inequalities. Let's see where we are, how much we know based on the previous year, and then we'll move on from there, okay? So suppose if I give you a scenario, would you be able to write equations is what we are going to see, okay? So let's say I give you a scenario like this. So let me see, guys, I am not asking you to write an equation, but see whether how I want to just check how many of you can do this. Based on that, I'll take it forward, okay? We are going to be discussing equations. Any questions on the previous homework, Shrestha? Any questions on the previous homework?
No.
Okay, good. Any others? Others? Any questions on the previous homework? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, guys. Would you be able to do this? No, if you can't, you have to message me that you can't. I just need to understand a vibe of how much of equations you guys know. That's all. So you can feel free to let me know that you can't do the equation for this. I'm just asking to understand where we are, that's all. And I also wanted to review the last week's as well. I'll go over that as well. Go ahead.
Are we gonna put the answers in chat?
Yes, please in chat. I would like to see whether you're able to write. It's okay if you're not able to write, you can just say, hey, this is so confusing. Absolutely fine. Wow, Manvi, good job. Have you done this at school, Manvi?
Yeah, I told you we're finishing our unit on this right now.
Okay. Equations and inequalities, right? Oh, Ishan, good job, Ishan. Ishan, is school not too easy for you?
Yeah.
I know, right?
Mm.
You are in which ISD?
Prosper.
Did you check if there's a way to CB 7th grade?
Yeah, I'm doing it in November. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, in November. Oh, good to know. Mm-hmm. Sreshta, but you're missing the variables, ma.
Oh, I forgot to type it.
No problem. Can you add it in?
Yeah.
Sure. Oh, wow. Good job, Pranav. So will you equate both, Pranav?
What?
Will you equate both? See, it is asking Trisha and Melanie are both saving money for their summer vacation. They began saving at the same time. Trisha started with the 10.25. See, we are equating money here. She started with the 10.25. Let me put it as Trisha. I did not get answers from some of you. I'm waiting. So she's starting with a 10.5 and adds 5.15 to her savings every month. So if it is 1 month, it's times 1. If it is 2 months, it's times 2. If it is 3 months, this money is becoming times 3. If it is m months, let's say we go for m months, what it should be times m. So this much money gets added to the original money. You got it? So this is what Trisha's saving is. How about Melanie's saving? Melanie's saving is a little different. How? Melanie did not have a starting amount. So there is no starting amount is always separate, right? Starting amount she did not have. When you think about it, she did not have any starting amount. Johan good, Nikita good. Most of you are good, nice. Johan, Melanie did not have any starting amount. But she goes with 10.25 per month. Per month means if it's 1 month, 1. If it is 2 months, it's times 2. If it is 3 months, the same money times 3. If it is m months, then that would be times m. So Melanie will have 10.25 times m. Any questions still here, guys? Any questions still here?
Nope.
Okay. Devansh. Did you understand, Devansh? You have to add
No.
both here. And 10 I'm sorry. Yeah, 10.25. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Devansh, are you understanding the difference between the two?
Yeah.
Okay, so there is a m variable only for this 5.15 because 5.15 every month is only that. This is the basic money that needs to be added. The second Melanie, it's 10.25 every month means 10.25 times m. They are asking how many months it will be. This is the money saving by Trisha, saving by Melanie for m months. They're asking how long will it take before Trisha and Melanie both have saved the same amount. This is the amount saved by Trisha. This is the amount saved by Melanie for m months. When will the amounts be equal? They're asking. So you need to be equating this with 10.25 m. Always this variable accompanies when it is every month, every year, every week. Shruti, did you get the answer to me or not, Shruti?
No.
You did not get it?
I understood,
Uh.
but when I wrote the equation, it felt wrong, but I know why.
Oh, now you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So basically you have to equate both. Now, how will you solve it? We have started understanding to solve it in grade 6. You have to put all the m's together. Here, when you think about it, I want to remove this 5.15 m. So there is a plus 5.15. I subtract 5.15 m to both sides. When I subtract that, from this I can subtract, right? 0, this is 5.15, 5.1 m will be equal to 10.25. Now, m will be equal to 10.25 divided by 5.1. Any questions, guys? Any questions on this?
Why is it divided by 5.1?
Because, see, 5.1 unknowns, you can call m as an unknown value. 5.1 unknown value will be equal to 10.25. How will you remove that 5.10? That is multiplied with your variable, right? So, whatever operation is being done with the variable, you are going to reverse it. You will have to divide 5.15 on both, 5.10 on both sides. You got
Oh,
it?
okay, so you also divide on the. Okay,
Yeah.
makes
Yep.
Yeah.
Makes sense? So I'm going to go into harder problems. Okay. Just for simplicity's sake, I try to understand where we are. Let's see. I want to, if possible, do equations and inequalities. Let's see. So that was the first problem on it, right? Now, I don't want to jump into inequalities right away. First, I want you to be able to write more equations. Okay. Let's see this one. See this one? Roxy and Randy are selling pancake breakfast plates to raise money for a class trip. See, both of them please write separately. And then what are they asking? Total amount raised is the same for both Roxy and Randy. First write Roxy's equation, then write Randy's equation. Krishiv, did you understand Krishiv?
Yes.
Okay, good. Done, guys. Slowly write them. Devansh, I would really like to see yours. Nice. Ma, Sreshta, but X is not given. P is the number of plates, right? Always listen to what is given as well.
Oh, okay.
That's right, ma. No, as long you don't have to resend. Next time you see. I knew that you understood. Johan, correct. Nikita, correct, ma.
I'm kind of confused.
I'll help you. I'll help you. Jashwita. Jashwita, I'm waiting for you. Okay. Krishiv, you solved, huh? Did you solve, Krishiv? Did you solve for the answer already?
Isn't that what we're supposed to do?
Yeah, but please send me the equation, right? I want to see the equation.
Oh,
Yeah,
equation.
yeah. First, send me the equation that you wrote.
I already sent mine.
Jashwita, no. Then it is incorrect, Jashwita. What? Where is 10.25? I don't see any 10.25 at all, Jashwita. What is the 10.25 you have written about? There is no 10.25 number itself in the problem, right?
Yeah, I used the wrong number.
Then please do the right number, send it.
Okay.
Krishiv, what is that, Krishiv? I want the equation in terms of P. You have to write the
Oh,
equation.
so this,
Manvi, hmm.
so I put this equals P.
Which one?
Like the answer that I put equals P.
The answer that you put equal to P. P is the number of plates, right? First, you need to find out how
Oh.
much Roxy saved. Please write an equation for the money that Roxy saved. Roxy is selling plates for $5. Means if he sells out P plates, how much money will he earn? Krishiv, tell me. I'm selling plates for $5. I'm selling P number of plates. How much will I earn?
P times 5.
Correct. 5P, right? But I already have 175 with me. Make sense? This is Roxy money. Where is Randy money? Please tell me the equation for Randy money. Tell me.
3.5 times P, 3.5P plus 250.
Now they're asking how many P's? How many P? What is the value of P? So that the total amount raised by both are the same. So what you need to do, you have to equate Randy's money with Roxy's money. You got it?
Okay.
So now subtract 3.5p on both sides. 5 minus 3.5 is 1.5p plus 175 equal to 250. Now how will you remove? I have to remove this 175 from this side, put it to the other side. What is that? 1.5p will be equal to 75. P will be equal to divide by 1.5 on both sides. 75 by 1.5, or I can say 750 by 15. Make sense? It is $50. No, I'm sorry. Number of plates is 50. When they sell 50 plates, both their amounts will be the same. Krishiv, did it make sense?
Kind of, yeah.
Kind of. Okay. Jashwita, did it make sense?
Kind of.
Kind of. So it's becoming a little tough. Manvi, I didn't get your answer, right, Manvi?
I sent mine.
Oh, I didn't see your answer, Ma. Okay, maybe. Yes. Okay, hold on. I want to do more problems with you guys. Let me see. Yeah, it becomes harder and harder and harder. Let's see. Let me give you one more problem. Let me give you one more problem on this end, and then I'll try to make it a little easier on you. Once you solve the harder problems, then you will find it okay. Why I'm not able to share that screen with you guys? Okay, we want to solve one more harder problem, then only easen it out, okay? So let's see. So basically read the question. First you have to define your variable. What is your variable? Variable was P. So like that, define your variable. First of all, see what is the variable. What is the thing that's varying, or what is the letter that you need to use? Here it is T. T is the number of construction toys that must be bought so that the profit for Jacelin's company and Rich's company is the same. So you have to use the variable as T. Now read the question. Come up with the equation. I want to see equations.
Quick question.
Yes, ma.
So would the investment would be coming as a profit or like an expense that they have to pay?
Good question. Let me read it out for you first. Jacelin's company required an initial investment of 2,125 for starting cars and sells construction toys for 49.99 each. Richie's company required no initial investment and sells construction toys online for this much. Okay, so number of construction toys that must be bought so that the profit will be the same. Jacelin's company will not achieve any profit till they at least get 2125 because they made an initial investment. So what will you do, Manvi, on it?
Okay, so is the $2,000 like an expense or?
Correct. It is an expense. It is taken as an expense, right?
All right, thanks.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
What, ma? I will check, ma. 1 minute. Be careful, guys. Here the 2125 is a little tricky.
Do we have to divide 2125 by 49.99 to find the number of construction toys it got to there?
Not really. Why do you think so? Tell me. Why do you
So they could like make up for like the lost profit or like how much they invested for.
Okay, I'll help you, Krish. I'll help you.
Wait, so would we have to subtract the number of like how much Richie makes for each toy subtract my number that Jacelyn makes?
They're asking when will their profits be the same? What? Okay, tell me. Let's calculate profits. Okay, we are calculating profits. What is the profit of Jacelin's company? Tell me. How do you write the equation? First of all, let's define our variables. T is the number of toys being sold. Right?
Yeah.
So first let's define our variable. Now let's go to Jacelin's company. What is the profit here? Who can tell me? Krish, can you guide me? Jacelin's company, don't worry about the initial investment.
49.99.
Yeah, 49.99 for every toy they sell. If T is the number of toys, what will be the money that they get from selling the toy? 49.99
Toys.
T.
Dollars.
T, right? So this will be the money they get. But these guys made an initial investment of 2125. So what should we do with that? I'm calculating profits, remember, but they made an initial investment of 2,125. So what should happen there?
Divide it.
This is money. This is also in dollars. See, okay. I am trying to sell pens. I'm trying to sell for $2 each. Okay. I'm selling pens for $2 each. Suppose if P is the number of pens I sell, I'll earn $2P. Literally 2P will be the amount that I earn. But before that, for me to set up the store, I spent $1,000. $1,000, I put it out of my hands. So that was a minus 1,000 first because I put it out of my hands. And then I tried adding money to my own account, 2P. So what happens? The profit that I earn will be whatever I earned here. Subtract the initial 1,000 because I made an investment. I shelled out money out of my hands, right? So from the 2P that I earned, I'll have to subtract the 1,000. Then only that will get my profit in here. You see? Do you get it? The initial investments that I make should be taken out of the money that I earned. That is my profit, right? So what do you do here? You tell me.
Yes.
Hmm.
Wait, but if you just divide it, you can find out like how many toys it took to reach 2 point, how much toys they sold to like make up for their investment.
Yeah, but you're not reading the question there. That is not what is given, right? They are selling the toys for 49.99 each. Okay. This is nowhere related to 2125, meaning they are not making 2125 from the toys they sell. They are just saying they put in money 2125 as an initial investment. And after that, they started selling the toys for 49.99 each toy. You see? So here they are, see, you cannot go and see, this is the initial investment that's made, in the sense they're shelling out money to buy the fleece or to buy the cushion and all, so that they can make the construction toys. After that, after making the construction toys, they're selling each construction toys for 49.99. So what happens if you sell one toy, or if you sell two toys, you get this much money, right? This is the money you get if you sell one toy, two toys. But for them to do this, already they put in some money to buy the materials. So that from the money they get, that needs to be subtracted. Only when this money reaches the 2125, they break even. They break even means whatever money they put in, they are getting first. After that, after collecting that 2.25 only, the profit starts for Jaislin's company. Does it make sense? Krishiv.
Yeah.
So what happens? What is the profit for Jaislin's company? This is the amount they are getting out of the sale of the toys. So what happened? What should I do with this 2125 initial investment?
You subtract it.
Yes, you subtract that. This is the profit that they get. Who's the other company? What is the other company?
Richie's company.
Yeah. So how much did they do?
39.95.
39.95. Then what?
Nothing.
No. Is that the only money they got?
Well,
39.9.
39.95T.
39.99 each means you have to add that variable, right? Because that many toys, it is multiplied by 39.9. They're saying when will they be equal? So equated, this is the equation I want to see. Minus 2125. Manya, did you understand, ma?
Yes, I sent my. Are you getting my like messages?
Yes, I am getting, but I'm not seeing. While I'm explaining, I'm not seeing your messages, right?
Yeah. Okay.
49.99T. What do you do now? Subtract 39.95T. Subtract 39.95T. What happens here? When you subtract that, you get
10.4.
10.04T. Equal to, what happens? Equal to 2125. So divide by 10.04, divide by 10.04. Now T will be number of toys they should sell would be 2125 by 10.04. You have to do that multiplication, division. Make sense?
Why did you put an equal symbol?
Why? Because how many toys should be bought so that the profit of both the company is the same. This is the profit of Jaislin's company. This is the profit of Richie's company. They both should be equal means I have to equate them, right?
Yeah.
Make sense? Okay. Now, I'll give you one easy problem so you can feel a little bit okay. I said they were going to be hard. Okay, let's see. Let's see. How about this one? Okay, I want to give it a little bit hard. I don't want so easy a question. Okay, how about this? Do you think you can write an equation for this one? It's simple when compared to what we discussed. First, write out what is your variable. Should be some variable. The money that she originally had is X. The money that she originally had is X.
Are we supposed to send the equation and the answer?
Always, ma. I don't want just the Krishiv, no just answers, please. I need the equations, properly written equations. Oh wow, Jashwita, good job. Pranav, I'm waiting. Krishiv, I need the equation, Krishiv.
Isn't that an equation?
No, I really want it in terms of the variable. What is the variable here?
X.
Good. So original money was X. What happened to X? What did you subtract from X?
12.
Yes. So X minus 12 will be equal to what?
18.
That is the equation I want.
My bad.
No problem at all. As long as you understand, I'm good.
I also sent the answer.
Devansh, how are you inserting all those, Devansh? I'm a little worried, Devansh, with your answers.
Took a lot of time to
What is it?
It took me a lot of time to write that.
Miss Priya, did I get it right?
Yeah, I will check. Devansh, you should not be using any external sources as well
I'm
when we're
not.
doing. Okay. I am a little concerned, honestly. Okay. The classes are, the intent is for everybody to learn, not use external sources and send me answers like that. But yeah, just make sure you're not referring to anything else. Okay, let's go ahead. I'll be the first person to pick these out. Okay, let's go ahead and try this one. You should understand, the class intention is for you to understand, please. Okay, how about this? I don't want so easy questions, let's see. Okay, how about this? If I give you D equal to RT, if I give you the equation D equal to RT, if I want to find T, how will you solve for this? I want to find out T. What it will be?
D times R.
D times R. I'm giving you D equal to RT, R times T. I want to find out T. So
D minus R equal to T.
R over D.
D divided by R.
who was that?
Me.
So when you think about it, R is multiplied by T here, right? I want to solve for T means T alone should be on one side. I need to remove the R, but how to remove the R? Is it subtraction or multiplication? When you look at it, look at what TR does with the variable. R is multiplied. So you do the reverse.
Divide.
T by R will be equal to T. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Suppose if I give you area will be equal to half BH. What will be the height? You can say area is A. Area of a triangle, right? So if I want to find the height, what will you do? I'll wait, guys. You need to see area will be equal to half times B times H. Now I want to find out what is H. So H alone should stay on that side. Johan, do you want to help me?
Sure. Would it be
I want to fit.
half divide? No, wait, no. Wait, can I solve it?
Yes, you can. Careful, careful, Manvi. That is not really correct.
One
But
more mistake in your code.
one more mistake in my?
I was talking to my
What is it, Ishan? Go ahead. Guys, it's important we be in the class physically and mentally. Go ahead. Okay, Devansh, can you explain to me how to do that?
The area?
Yeah, how? I'm giving you area will be equal to half times B times H. Let's do it together. I'm asking you to solve for H. I want you to find out what is the value of H. How will you do that?
Is it H equals 1/2 times A times B?
Good thought. Let's solve it together. I'll solve it for you. Now let's see. Half has been multiplied. H is my variable. H is the only variable I can make it stay on the right side. I have to remove the rest of the stuff. So how do I remove the B? Who can tell me how to remove the B? Do I subtract?
You divide it.
Why do you divide? Why do you divide?
You move it
Uh,
to the
Being
other.
Because it's multiplied.
Because it's multiplied. So I have to divide by B. Let me rewrite this equation. I will be very slow when I do this. Half times H. I want only H. I don't want the half. So what do I do?
Divide the half.
Divide the half, or the other way of telling it is what? I can't divide fractions.
Multiply by
Times
half.
2, multiply by 2.
Times 2. So numerator, denominator will go times 2. So now do you see? H will be equal to 2A by B. Does that make sense?
No.
Man, what did not make sense?
Why do we multiply by 2?
Because see, half is A by B. How will you remove the half?
Divided by half.
Half. Instead of dividing by half, what can I do? See, half divided by half, what can I do instead? Half times the reciprocal, right?
Yeah.
So I multiply by 2. 2 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator can get cancelled, right? Instead of dividing by half, just multiply by 2.
Okay, that makes sense.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are important things that we need to learn.
Can I
Okay.
get a restroom, Miss Priya?
Yeah, please go and come back.
Thank you.
How about this? If suppose I give you something like this, an equation like this. I went to word problems directly, right? So let me give you an equation like this. This one we did not solve in 6th grade. So when you think about it, right? I want to solve this equation. You were all solving simple equations. See, there is a parenthesis here. Now remember this 3. There is no operation between 3 and the parenthesis, right? So it's multiplication.
Don't you just like distribute the 3 into the parentheses?
Yeah, so what do? I treat this like an ice cream being given to the family. Whatever is in the parentheses are all family members. So I distributed 3 times x minus 3 times 4. Then I add the 2. Now how do we solve this equation? I group the numbers together, variables together. Minus 12. Always take the sign that is before the number. Minus 12 plus 2 is what?
Negative 10.
Negative 10. Good job. Now what do I do? What is the next step?
You can bring the variables and numbers together.
So what do I do?
Subtract
5 on both sides.
Subtract. You have to guide me. I'm going to go with you. Then what?
Divide by 2x.
Why divide by 2? X is not grouped together yet. What do I do?
2. Wait, no.
First group. I cannot put socks in different
Add
rooms.
5.
Hmm?
Wait, Miss Priya, wouldn't it be negative 15?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Subtract
Yes, guys. Sorry, Vihan.
Do minus 3x minus 3x.
Exactly. I have to move the x to the other side. Number is on this side. So that when there is no sign in front, it's a plus 3x. So subtract 3x on both sides. So minus 15 will be minus x. Then multiply by minus 1 on both sides. 15 equal to x. Make sense, guys? Okay, I'm going to go to a easier problem. Let's see. How about this? You're going to tell me what is this. You're going to tell me what is the value of n. What is the value of n? You're going to do it and tell me the answer for this one.
All right.
Yes, Makrishav, go ahead.
I don't understand.
I will help you. It is just addition, right? There is no multiplication. You can just rewrite the equation. Do you know how to rewrite this equation?
Wait.
Hmm?
I'm thinking.
You got it?
Wait. If this works out,
I think I sent my answer.
Sure. I can check. You can just say what is the value of n.
yep, it works.
Uh-huh. Right, Vihan. Devansh, can you guide me how to solve this? What do I do, Devansh? First step.
So first step, you have to get the ends, the external ends.
So what do I do?
So you divide them.
I divide by what? Good job.
You divide by
Rishiv, good job.
you divide with
Jashvita, you
divide-
missed something. Nikita, correct. Shruti, correct.
you
Suresh,
divide by 4 and 2.
you divide by
4 and 2.
why 4 and 2?
Because no wait. X is 4. No, wait, just 2.
Why would I divide by 2?
Because it says 2 by x.
We are doing this problem, right?
My bad.
So what is the first thing that you do?
So the first thing would be to minus this 2 with this 75 right here.
You want to minus the 2? Okay, minus.
Yeah, because it's a positive.
Okay, n plus 1 plus n equal to 73. Now what do you do?
Then
You can
we have to then we have to minus with the the 1 2 again.
Okay, minus the 1. n plus n equal to 72. Then what do you do?
And then
you can combine n.
Add the n's together. 1n plus 1n plus 1n, 3n equal to 72. Jashvita,
Alright.
you forgot the 3. You forgot the 3 completely. So, divide by 3, n is equal to 24. Guys, you need to be careful on this. We are going to solve more complicated problems as well with respect to this. Let's see. How about this? This one I'm going to solve for you guys, okay? I'm going to solve first. This one I'm going to solve, okay? Give me 1 minute. Style with distribution. Okay, let's see. So if you're given this, right? Now what do I do? You know what will I do? What will be my first step, Jashvita?
You would give the give the 3 to x and 2 and x and 4.
I will give the 3 to x and 3 to 2. Whatever is inside the parenthesis is what I'll use. Now,
Would you also do the other parentheses?
other parenthesis is separate. There is a minus separating it, right? Only you have to, whatever multiplication is there, you need to multiply. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, plus, see, okay, in any equation, right? 4x plus 5 plus 3x. Here, all these are called terms. This is a term. This is a term. Whatever is split by, see, there is a plus separating them out, right? Or a minus separating them out. These are called terms. Okay, but within the term, right, 4 times x, 4 is multiplied by x, 3 is multiplied by x, right? This is a term. Term contains factors. 3 is a factor, x is a factor. They are multiplied together. Now, 3 is multiplied with x, 3 is multiplied by 2.
Miss,
Now I have Yama.
wouldn't the answer be 2x equal to 2x for this one?
I don't know, Ma, please. I'm just working with others, right? So minus, I'll copy the minus. But the worst part here is x minus 4, right? I copy that. But the problem here is, what is this minus in front of a parenthesis? What should I do? Shrestha, you go ahead and say. You understood, I think. So go ahead and say, Shrestha.
X plus 6 minus x plus 4.
Exactly. This is treated like a minus 1 here. Minus 1 times x is minus x. Minus 1 times minus 4 is what, Krish?
I say
Yeah.
it's 4.
Plus 4. That is so important. Devansh, are you listening to the class? Okay. Now what should I do, Devansh? Unmute yourself and answer.
Oh, so these 4x and 4. Wait. No, I don't understand.
That's because you are not listening. You're doing something else there. I will have to talk to you at the end of the class. Pranav, what is the next step?
The next step is trying to find like the x for the next one. So you have to distribute 6.
Is there a need to distribute 6, Amma? This is all plus and minus, right? So they become terms. You can combine them. Meaning,
Then what you have
yeah, when there are no parentheses, you can start combining the like terms. Like terms means 3x.
okay, so you combine 3x and x, which will equal 4x plus
Wait. 3x minus x.
Oh, 3x minus x is 2x.
Exactly. And then 6.
2x. 2x plus 6 plus 10.
Yes, equal to 2x plus 10.
2x
What is
plus
going
10.
on here? Subtract 10 on both sides. You get 2x equal to 2x. Oh my gosh. It is not solvable, this equation. See, 2x equal to 2x, that I know. But how to find out x? There's no way to find out x, right? But this is what Shrestha said. Shrestha, your answer is correct. See, 2x equal to 2x. So, they are equal. You have arrived at a valid statement in mathematics. You have arrived at a very valid statement in mathematics that can be solved, right? So, you can say x is any real number. Any number you substitute x in here, this equation would work. You substitute 1, 1.5, 1.25 instead of x, whenever you plug in any number, it will work. Make sense? Okay, now let's go ahead and try this one. Similarly, there are cases when you solve this equation, you got a valid statement, right? Sometimes you'll end up like a 5 equal to a 10, or you can end up with a 0 equal to a 5. Are these valid statements in mathematics? They are invalid statements in mathematics. If you get an invalid statement at the end, you can say x has no solution. There is no number that will make the equation true. Make sense, guys? If you arrive at valid statements, you can say x has many solutions. Any real number will be a solution. But when you arrive at invalid statements in mathematics, then there is no proper solution at all for x, and you can say there is no solution for x. Any questions?
No.
Any questions? Okay. How about this? I really would like you to solve this and let me know what is the answer for x. Manvi, did you understand the no solution, infinite solution case?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to put it out and see how this works. Okay, let's see. Go ahead, guys.
I set my answer.
Devansh, did you get the answer?
No.
Shrestha, did you already send the answer, ma?
Yeah.
Is mine correct?
Johan, did you already send the answer?
Yeah, I sent the answer.
Something feels not right. Yours or Shrestha's is not right. I don't know which one, but I can check. Hold on.
Is mine right?
1 minute, ma. I'm checking, ma, because somebody's is not right. Johan, yours is not right. Correct, Shruti. Nikita, correct.
What about me?
Krishiv, so what, Krishiv? Yes, your answer is right, Krishiv. So what should you say? X can have? Manvi, so what? You have to say what is the value of X. You guys are getting it right, but you did not conclude. What should be the value of X? Yes, Vihan. Pranav. Pranav, 5x is equal to 5x is a valid statement, right? Why is it invalid? 5x is equal to 5x, right? Yeah, it's a valid statement. So what should be the value of X?
Value of
Yeah,
x is supposed to be 5x.
you can't find it. Okay. See, when you solve this, right? Devansh, what was the answer?
The answer, it is, it doesn't have it. Because it's an infinite, it's all numbers because it's an infinite solution thing again.
Why?
Because,
Can you show me the steps here?
5,
Go ahead and show me the steps in here. What should you do with this? Can you do it on the board, please? Do
Yeah,
it on
that's
the
what I'm
board.
trying.
Yeah, you're going to do it on the board. Come on. You're going to write on the board.
Okay. So,
Uh-huh.
5x, then the thing will become 10 minus 3, then equal 5x plus 7. And this become, this would equal to x, because minus this is x plus 3x plus 7. So 5.
Devansh, hold on, Devansh. From this,
Yeah.
how did you get this?
So what I did traction. No, I didn't. I divided the 5 with 10, and then I got 2x, and then I had to add x to 3, so it became 3x. That's why.
You
So
divided 10 by 5. Yeah. Where are you dividing 10 by 5?
right here, wait, it
Is
has
it
an
5
x.
multiplied by 10?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Devansh, I want to talk to you after the class. Okay, let's
Okay.
move on. I'm going to go ahead and do this one, guys. Okay, now 5x plus 10 minus 3 will be equal to 2x plus 3x plus 7. Now 5x, 10 and 3 can be combined, right? Plus 7 equal to 5x plus 7 on this side. When you think about subtracting 7, 5x equal to 5x. Yeah, this is a very valid statement in mathematics. X can be any real number. For that matter, what is a real number? A real number can be a fraction, a decimal, whatever number, integer,
Wait.
counting number. Yeah.
Would that include pi?
Aha, yes, because a real number can be rational or irrational. Pi is irrational. Yes, you can substitute pi and c. It will work. This equation, if you plug in 2 here, let's say 10 plus 10, 20. 20 minus 3 is 17. Let's plug in 2 here and see. 4, 6. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 2, 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. See, any number will work. Make sense?
I did my equation wrong.
That's okay. No. Who got your equation wrong?
Me, Krisha.
No, Krishav, it can be any. What did you get? Tell me.
I didn't do a way you could find the x. I just like got rid of all the x's on.
Oh yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Still your equation is right. What did you get?
But I didn't know how to get the answer for x though.
Doesn't matter. What was the final equation you got, left and right?
10 minus 3 equals 7.
10
Or
minus 3 equal to
7.
7. Yeah, 7 equal to 7. That is right. Because when it comes to equation solving, there are 100 ways of solving. So this is correct. 7 equal to 7 is a valid statement in mathematics. So x is any real number. That's correct. Because
Okay.
your brain need not think the same way as I am thinking. I removed all the numbers. You removed all the x. Both are one and the same. You got it?
All right.
Can I move on? Okay, now let's see this one. Okay, how about this one? This is a teeny tiny bit tricky one. Let me see whether you're able to do this. And Shruti, do you want to leave?
Ask my mom.
Okay, sure. Try to write the equation.
I'll finish this problem and then I'll leave.
Sure, ma. Go ahead. Devansh, I just sent you a message. Just read it. Okay, now Johan. Johanna, you've already answered. 3 shirts. See, first of all, you have to define your variable. What is the variable here? Cost of one shirt is your variable. Cost of one shirt is your variable. How to do this one? Can I help you guys?
Miss Priya, I never sent anything for this question.
That's fine.
I think
Miss
I'm kind
Priya,
of understanding this one,
It's
maybe.
hard. Okay,
can
so-
you I'm not done yet.
I'll wait. See, I'll give you clues, no problem. This is a little, that's what I told you, right? Cost of one shirt is X. Cost of one shirt is X. If that is X, then the cost of 3 shirts is what? Just write it down here. What is the cost of 3 shirts? Who can tell me?
3x.
3x. But we don't know the cost of pant. But there's something else we know. See, pant will be equal to 10 plus x. Here it tells each pant is costing 10 more than the shirt, right? You got it, right? Now, 2 pants. What will be the cost of 2 pants from here? 2 times. What will be the cost of 2 pants? 2 times 10 plus x. Can I say that? Because this is the cost of one shirt. A pant is always costing 10 more than the shirt. So this is the cost of the pant, but I'm buying 2 pants, right? So I multiply by 2. So the pant cost is this, shirt cost is this. Everything has x to it, right? Now I can add both. 3x plus 2 times 10 plus x will be equal to 180. Now can you all find the x value?
Did I get it right?
Okay, Shruti, you want to leave? One second, let me check my. Honestly, I don't know the answer. Wait. Yes, that's right. You can leave. Good job.
Bye.
Bye, ma. Nikita, good job. Can you solve that, Nikita?
Yeah, I'm solving it.
Mm-hmm.
Miss Priya, did I get it right?
I'll check, Amma. Johan, I'll check. Johan, are you getting a hang of it?
Yeah, I think. Oh wait, no, I think I put the wrong answer. Sorry.
Yeah, I think so too.
Oh, sorry, it was on accident.
No
Is
problem
mine
at all. You can
correct?
resend. It's not an exam, right? Krishiv, not really, Krishiv. I can help you.
Am I correct, Miss Priya?
Sreshta, no.
What about me?
Who understood it? Let me see.
I understand it. I know how to
Did
do
I
it, but
get
I
mine right?
think it's a process I got wrong. And
Ishan, what is the answer, Ishan? Yeah, but take your time. I'll wait here till you get it.
Miss Priya, now did I put it right now?
No. There is some mistake, meaning it's a minor mistake. Can you resolve? You're almost there, but that's right. But there is a number that's incorrect. Can you check? Meaning you got it, Johan, but you're not adding or subtracting correctly. Nikita, correct, ma.
Did I get mine right, Miss Priya?
Ishan, what Ishan? Did you divide properly?
Is my correct?
The last division is incorrect, Ishan. Jashwita, I can't solve your equation. You'll have to solve and send the answer to me, ma.
Miss
Oh,
Priya,
Yes, Pranav, you can leave. Good job.
thank you.
what
Uh,
about
You can leave. Good job.
I can leave?
Yes, very good job.
Can I go, Miss Priya?
Ishan, you can leave. Yes, Pranav. Thank you for
Oh,
asking. I really
thank
appreciate
you. Miss Priya, can you check my answer?
it. Yeah, ma. Sreshta, wait a minute.
Can I leave, Miss Priya?
Not really. Yes, ma. Nikita, you can.
Okay.
So
Bye,
wait,
Miss Priya.
guys, I will do it for you. 3x plus 2 is multiplied. So 20 plus 2 times plus x is what? Plus 2x will be equal to 118. 5x
mine
plus
correct.
20 equal to 118. Subtract 20, subtract 20. 5x will be equal to 98. X will be 98 by 5, which is 19.60. Where did you make a mistake, Sreshta? I was curious. Where did you make a mistake? You are muted.
I used 1x instead of 2x.
Oh my God, here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, but be careful. See, that's why distribution is always tricky. Even today, I make mistakes with distribution. So you need to be very careful, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, ma. Bye.
Bye.
Who else didn't get it?
I got 19.6, but I thought it said find the cost for all three of the shirts, so I multiplied it by 3.
Oh, no. See, X.
Yeah.
X is find the cost of one shirt. We already defined cost of one shirt as X. X is what you're getting. You got it?
I figured it out now. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes,
Bye.
Bye.
Miss,
Johan,
can I
did you-
leave? Yeah, I just put instead of the 3x there, I put 2. No, wait. Oh no, instead of the 20, I put the 30.
you put the 30. Ah, here, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God. You have to be careful. But did you
Okay.
listen white? Okay, bye.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
The mistake I made was I made 2x into 22.
Uh-huh.
So I thought that was a 2. So I thought it was like I don't know what I thought. I didn't see the x properly. That's why.
Okay, but you understood, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, ma. Bye.
Bye.